Hi there, Nora Dunn, aka the Professional Hobo. Greetings from Antigua in Guatemala, where I'm enjoying 3 months. Now I want to talk to you today about some life-changing, and I mean it when I say life-changing, custom 3D printed sandals and insoles. For the last 6 months, I have been testing out a product called WIIVV, spelled W-I-I-V-V. What they do is they make custom 3D printed sandals and insoles. Sandals and insoles. We'll get a little bit more into these and what's all about them in a second. Prior to getting my hands on these sandals and insoles, I had plantar fasciitis, I had shin splints, I had knee pain, back pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, ankle pain, pain. And part of this is because I walk a lot. Now, when you travel, one of the best ways to see your destination that you're at is to walk a lot. And if you're walking a lot in the in inappropriate footwear, you're going to feel the effects of it, as I did. So thank goodness WIIVV approached me and sent me a pair of sandals and insoles to test drive. I've been using them for the last 6 months and it has been incredible. Now, first of all, I want to introduce you to my sandals. Everything about these are custom. You can choose the color of your straps, and you can choose the color of this funky little insert in here. Now what you do in order for these to be truly customized, WIIVV has an app. You download the app to your phone and you take special measurements of your feet. You use a piece of 8.5 by 11 blank paper and a wall, and in a very specific way you take pictures of your feet in a few different positions. Now, my experience of using this app is great. It's a very user-friendly app. I did, however, have to submit the photos a couple of times in order to get it just right. Once they get the photos, they map your feet to 200 different points so that they can build a truly customized product. The sandals are customized in that they put the center pin in exactly the right place depending on the position of your foot. Then they also create this insert in the middle, and as you'll see, there's a lot of arch support going on here. And this is really what makes this shine. And they also have a nice deep heel cup, but not so deep that you find yourself rolling over or tripping or falling over, as I have with some other types of sandals that have very deep heel beds. The straps are also interchangeable. You can actually fairly easily pull the straps off if you want to be able to have different colors. So you can order multiple straps and have them in different colors to match your different outfits. Now, my insoles, you'll notice these are kind of short. I purposely ordered the 3/4 insoles. You can order 3/4 insoles or full-sized. I like the 3/4 because this allows me to put these insoles into any shoes that I have. I can put them into heels, I can put them into ballet flats, I can put them into various forms of walking shoes. And what I do is I interchange them into all of my shoes. So I'm always able to have this incredibly superior foot support. When I say custom, I mean custom. The pattern on the front is customizable. They print your name on the back. The color on the back is customizable. I mean, what you order is going to be truly yours and only yours. You'll see there is some give, so it definitely isn't it's not a completely inflexible insole, but by the same token, there isn't so much give that over time it flattens. It's a perfect balance of cushioning, contours, and really good support. What I have found in the last 6 months since using them is, well, if you haven't already figured it out, I've become their greatest raving fan because I no longer have daily, hourly, minutely foot pain. Prior to getting these, I had plantar fasciitis and then fallen arches. In both cases, it meant that every single step of every single day was excruciating. I had to take painkillers just to make it through the day. Now, when I was first contacted by WIIVV, I will admit I was a little bit skeptic of a an insole or a sandal that was made with a 3D printer. It sounded a little amateur to me, but I assure you, not only am I very happy with the product, but I was happy taking the leap and moving forward with getting them because there's also a money-back guarantee. So if these shoes are not everything that you want them to be and more, you can return them for a full refund. I think of these really as being custom orthotics. Now, I'm no medical person and I can't tell you that you can't get orthotics or that you can or should get these instead of orthotics, but I will tell you that I had reached the stage where I was going to look into getting orthotics in order to reduce my foot pain, and I got these and my foot pain went away. So now I don't need orthotics. So make of it what you will. I have a couple of posts on my website, one in particular which is an expose of various types of travel sandals. I'm not usually a flip-flop sort of gal. I like to have just one pair of sandals, and that one pair of sandals has to help me get through any number of scenarios. And flip-flops, as far as I'm concerned, are not as multi-use friendly, but I will tell you that this is it. These are my travel sandals. I don't travel with any other sandals than these ones. So style-wise, they're flip-flops. There's not much to say about them style-wise. However, I have to say I have these and I have my Teaks flats. And believe it or not, these will actually fit into my ballet flats. Not super gracefully, but they do fit into my ballet flats as well as all the other shoes that I have. So style-wise, I've got all my bases covered. Would you believe that there's a guy who actually ran the Boston Marathon in these? The level of foot support that these sandals provide, I've never experienced anything like this before. And I guess it's because the straps come this far back that your heel isn't flipping and flopping out of it. It is actually total support. They also took a little bit of getting used to. The WIIVV says that when you get your first pair, only wear them for maybe a few hours of every day or an hour. Start with incremental amounts and wear them for small periods of time and then work your way up, because it is going to take a little while for your feet to get used to the level of support that these have. I actually find now, if I haven't been wearing these for a while, for example, if I've been walking around barefoot, my feet get tired. And I actually, I put these on so my feet can relax. When you're done with a big day on your feet, you actually take your shoes off to relax. I actually put my shoes on to relax. In the description, you will find some links that you'll find very useful. You'll find a link specifically to WIIVV where you can buy your own custom sandals, insoles as you wish. I'll provide a link where you can get some more information about my personal experience with these sandals and insoles. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of what I have to offer on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel. That's it for me, Nora Dunn, aka the Professional Hobo. Ciao from Guatemala. Don't cut it, don't cut it, don't cut it. Blooper Reel! Hi there. This is good. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Okay.